Oh, yes. She wants bigger ones. We want bigger even if you say, no, I'm fine with my small Don't stop lying. And she found the solution, a very quick and efficient and affordable solution. Praise her on that. Let's check this one. Oh, beautiful sack, mister. It's nice, it's bouncy. It's everything you hope for in the breasts.
I'm a little bit scared.
You should.
Oh, it lands at the perfect place.
Yeah.
Get yourself something pretty and be right back. Ooh, oh yes, oh yes. I love that. Is it giving?
Yeah.
When you run?
Giving, yeah.
Do a little walking for me. I love it. Next! Hack, hack, hack. Moco chocolata. Oh, that's a beautiful lip. I know exactly what she's doing because I used to do that on my makeup. Guess what time it is? It's time to do the little eyeliner on the mouth. Don't smile. No, don't smile. Katya, stop with the chocolate. When you smile, it makes your smile look even smilier. But when you're grumpy, it looks like you ate some chocolate. So it's a so-so on this hack. I don't like the globes. I don't like the fact that she's really messy with it. I enjoy the being a little messy and cleaning it up. But she went overboard. I'm gonna do exactly what she did. Even though I don't like it. I'm gonna do messy on this brow. You already have pretty full brows, which is nice.
Thank you.
That's a messy brow. Okay, but we have the solution. And we are going to wipe the excess. I'm not fond of this hack. We haven't invented the cold water today, but okay, it was cute. Good hack. Next one! It seems that we have some sort of a fruit going on. I'm not very into that. Because guess what? The cherries are gonna be sugary. So it's gonna stick. And you're gonna attract the bees and the wasps. Doesn't seem like a good idea, okay? But again, I'm here for that. So we are going to try it. So, a little tuk-tuk on the cheek.
I'm cute.
I'm cute.
Yeah.
A little over there. Give me your other cheek. And before it dries too quickly, tap, 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 tap it. What do you think?
Oh. It's natural, I think.
I like it.
Yes, I like it.
And it's glowy too.
Really good highlighter.
I think it's a great success. Have one. You deserved it.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Cheers.
I made those myself. My garden. Gorgeous. It's about burning the foundation. She warmed it up enough so that it would like smoke. Seems a little dangerous. Seems a little unhealthy. Red flag. Who am I to judge? Let's check it out. And boom! We're gonna warm this up until it smokes, apparently. And it should, it's smoking. And it should, we don't know what. I haven't figured it out. According to the lady in the video, it was better than before. So, oh, it's boiling.
Ooh.
Look at that. Not too hot? Perfect. It's the exact same foundation. Woo! So it's a really bad hack.
Yes, it's fail.
Next hack! We have a beautiful young lady that is gluing her ears to her skull. We love your ears as they are. I have to like wipe the back of your ear with this little wipe with alcohol. People are crazy. I guess it's to remove any oil from the skin or whatever. And now I will put this little glue. That's the glue we use to like glue down our wigs. So it's safe. I'm giving the hacks now. The little trick with this glue is to like tap it until it gets really tacky and then you can glue whatever you're gluing. Tap it, tap it, tap. Now that it's sticky, bam! Your ears are gonna disappear. There you go, no ear. Do you like it?
To be honest.
It's a little weird, right? Whatever you look like and whatever your ears look like, you should not be gluing them because your body is perfect, okay? Next hack. Oh. She's using it as a stamp. Clever girl, Margaret. So, what color do you like? Do you like blue, or maybe a little pink, or a salmon?
I'm more pinky.
Pinky girl. Let's do that. It's gonna be a 4-petal flower. And in the center, we are going to put a little touch of white. Close your eyes, otherwise you're gonna go blind. Well, it's an abstract flower.
Yes.
It doesn't have to be always perfect, you know. And we're gonna do another one in the inner corner. Tuck, 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 tuck. Okay, it's not a flower, but it looks good. So that's all that matters to me.
I'm a fresh pinky girl, I think.
Mood. It's a good hack. If you're aiming for a flower, though, you should maybe check it out. Oh! Pardon, this is La Grande Dame, this was Beauty React. I hope you had a great time, I surely did. So, I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. It's always a pleasure to have you here. I will wait here, waiting for you for the next one. Singing all night long. Hey, you good?
You're good, I'm good.
You good? Dun, dun, dun.
Alors, ça tourne en large, ça tourne et action.
No! Thank you, everybody. That's a wrap.
Thank you.
Merci.